HTC just rolled out their first ever AI-powered smart glasses, the Vive Eagle, stepping right into Meta's territory. And sure, there's plenty these two have in common, but HTC's added enough of its own flair to make them stand out, at least in some key areas. But hey, before we start picking favorites, tap that subscribe button. Think of it as upgrading your own vision, except instead of a camera lens, you'll see all our latest tech videos pop up in your feed. Right now, the Vive Eagle is launching only in Taiwan for about $520, while Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses start at $299 and are available almost everywhere, often with discounts that make them even more tempting. Style-wise, both nail that laid-back, versatile look that works just as well at the office as it does on a night out. Sure, the Oakley HSTN sits closer in price to the Vive Eagle, but with its sportier vibe, it's not quite the same comparison. The Vive Eagle's biggest flex is flexibility. It can run Google Gemini, ChatGPT, or HTC's own Vive AI assistant, so you're not locked into a single AI. Privacy takes center stage too, with translation and AI features processed locally on the glasses and any outside requests anonymized. For travelers, its image-based translation is gold. Just point the camera at a sign, menu, or packaging, and you'll get real-time translations in 13 languages. The 48.8 gram frame pack Zeiss sun lenses with UV protection works with prescription lenses, and in Taiwan, some retailers even offer optical services and fittings. You also get a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, open-ear spatial speakers, and quick magnetic charging. Meta's Ray-Ban glasses, on the other hand, lean heavily into ecosystem power and everyday convenience. Their Meta AI is always listening for the "Hey Meta" wake word, ready to answer questions, identify landmarks, or guide you through a city hands-free. They handle real-time speech-to-speech translation in English, French, Spanish, and Italian, making them great for actual conversations, not just reading text. Plus, they can live stream directly to Facebook or Instagram, shoot video hands-free, send voice messages, set reminders, and even recognize songs. With water resistance, a 5-mic audio setup, and over 150 frame and lens combinations, they're positioned as a lifestyle accessory just as much as a piece of smart tech. Both offer similar battery life. The Vive Eagle gives you around 4.5 hours of continuous use or 36 hours on standby, with 50% charge in 10 minutes. However, you can't just slip them into a portable case to recharge. You'll need access to the charger or power bank. Ray-Ban Meta lasts about 4 to 6 hours per charge, closer to 2 to 3 hours heavy use, but its case boosts you to roughly 36 hours total. So, while the Vive Eagle focuses on privacy, AI choice, and multilingual travel support, the Ray-Ban Meta shines if you want deep voice-driven AI, instant conversation translation, and a seamless tie-in to your social and digital life, with a huge variety of style options. Oh, and if translucent frames are your thing, both have you covered. Now, I'm curious, which one would you actually wear? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive. Catch you in the next one. Peace.